Hey friends, this is Latif. Hope you're well, and welcome to the new update on a Vechain coin. In my last video, I told you that the Vechain is ready for a big pump. I was expecting up to 60% pump, and this was my previous video that I shared with you, and this was my article that I shared with you in my previous video. And I was expecting that after breaking out, the price action will produce more than 60 up to 60% rally. And now, after playing this chart, we can see that the price action even broke the next resistance level and used that previous resistance level 2 times as support and produced more than 74% big bullish rally. And now if we take a look at the live daily chart at this time, this was the previous resistance that I was this was the previous resistance that I was showing here when the price action was moving in this falling wedge pattern, and I predicted the breakout. So now, after retesting this previous resistance, the price action has moved to the next resistance level. First, it broke the next resistance at 1.5 cents, then broke out the next resistance at 1.8 cents, and now it is trying to break out. Even it is rejected by this next resistance at 2.1 cents, and now it is back at the previous resistance at 1.8 cents and using the previous resistance level as a support at this time. And the price action has also broke out all the simple moving averages with the time period of 25, 50, and 100 and 200. And now this 100 simple moving average is moving up, and if it will cross up this 200 simple moving average, then it can produce more powerful bullish rally to the upside, because whenever the smaller time period moving average crosses up the bigger time period moving average, as in this case we have the 100 is likely to move up to form a bull cross with 200 simple moving average, then it can produce a rally to the upside. However, at this time, the distance between the two moving averages is not as that much close, but we can expect that once it will cross up the 200 simple moving average, then it can produce more powerful bullish rally, and even it can break out that next resistance of 2.1 cents. Now, if we move to the weekly chart, the long-term weekly chart, here we have the exponential moving averages with the time period of 10 and 21. And same as like the Bitcoin, the Vechain is also moving at a very high distance from the EMA 21. But there is a difference between the Bitcoin move and the Vechain, because a Vechain is using the EMA 10 and 21 on the weekly chart very well before the next rally. As we can see that after this powerful bullish rally, it used them as a support, moved up again, used them as a support, and moved up again. And here the price action has found a strong resistance at 2.1 cents, as we have already seen on the daily chart here. And this is really very strong resistance. If I zoom this chart out, then we can see that this resistance level has been working previously here in July as a strong resistance, and here in August as a strong resistance as well. And if we take a look at the next support level, that is also very strong because it has been working as a support here, and here it was working as a slightly resistance, but here it has been working as a strong resistance. Sorry, not a support, but a strong resistance here. Now we can expect that the price action can move up to make another attempt to break out this 2.1 cents resistance. The reason is, first of all, on the weekly chart, the Ichimoku cloud is really very strong bullish, as I've already shown you in my previous video, that after a long time the price action has crossed up this bearish cloud, and now it is using this bullish cloud as a support. But if we switch back on this very small time period chart, on the 4-hour chart, then the price line has formed this falling wedge pattern and moving very well between the support and the resistance of this pattern. Now, if I place the volume profile on the complete price action moving within this pattern, then we can see that here, if I place this trend line here, we can see that the volume profile is showing very less interest of the traders above this level, and that is above the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. That is a very optimistic signal that the price action can break out from here, and after retesting it, it can start the further rally to the upside if the traders will be interested to trade above this level. Definitely when the candlesticks, more candlesticks will be appeared, we can again place the volume profile and we can take a look whether the traders are interested to trade there or not. And if we place this same trend line here up to this level, we can see that the traders are less interested to trade below this level that is above the support of this falling wedge pattern. Therefore, we can expect a breakout, and in case of breakout, our next target can be if I place this trend line from this tail of the triangle, this wedge, up to the support and place it here, then we can expect a rally up to 2.2 or 2.1 cents. That is our next resistance level from where the price line is already rejected. So we can expect the price line is going to make another attempt to break out this level. However, there is also possibility that the price action will break down rather to break out the resistance. In case of breaking down the support, the price action can move up to the previous support of 1.5 cents. That is our previous support. We can see here it can retest this support, and after that it can after a successful retest it can move to the upside. However, I'm expecting a breakout at this time. If the price action will break out, then it can make another attempt to break out this 2.1 cent resistance, and after breaking out this level it can turn more bullish. So this falling wedge pattern that has been formed on this small time period 4-hour chart can be decision making pattern for the price action of Vechain at this time. And before the ending of this video, I would like to show you my Patreon page I've just started, and if you want to support my channel, I have shared the link in the video's description. You can find there, and it will be also very good for your trading experience as well. And I hope that you'll like the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. Take care. Goodbye.